Hello friends! My family would like to share with you how to make a 100% wild-crafted wreath. This is a fun and creative project, and it begins with gathering your materials. Here you can see we have grapevines, we have all of our decorations, and then we have dogbane. What is the dogbane for? Well, we're not going to use any wire or string. We're just going to use natural cordage, and with the dogbane, we're not even going to make it into cordage. We're just going to peel off strips of the outer bark and use it to tie our materials onto the wreath. For decorations, we just had fun and found anything that looked like it would add color, texture, or interest to the wreath. To begin, you take your grapevine and you weave it together. So basically, we're just wrapping it around itself in a circle. Other people seem to find joy in parts of our project that we've set aside as no longer useful. Suppose that adds a good dose of perspective to life, doesn't it? Here I'm making our string. As I said, with this dogbane, we're just peeling off strips, and I do it by breaking it in 2 long pieces and then peeling off the inner woody part in 1-inch sections. That tends to give long pieces that you can work with. If you don't have dogbane, you can use wood nettle, stinging nettle, milkweed. Many different plants have cordage that you can use. Once you have a circle, start weaving in your greenery. Here we're using white pine, we have a little bit of red pine and some spruce, and we just tuck it in. We're just using the grapevine and finding places to weave into it. Since we're using natural materials, you never know what sorts of discoveries we will make. Here, look up close. Liliana found these golden droplets along a pine needle. Not really sure what these are. Probably the eggs of some insect, but beautiful, amazing, enchanting. Once the greenery is on, we get to tuck in and tie on our decorations. This is where we can get so creative. We're going to make our wreath so it has a space on the top, but you can make your wreath any way you desire. That creativity can sometimes inspire side projects. After the main decorating is done, mostly by the girls, Rebecca came in to add some finishing touches. Then we're ready to take the wreath outside and hang it up.
Oh wow! You girls made that. So it looks even prettier when you get it outside.
Whether it's winter or summer where you are, whatever holidays you may or may not decide you want to celebrate, my family is wishing you love, joy, creativity, and adventure.